The Supreme Court will begin hearing the petition that seeks to compel the Duterte administration to defend and protect the marine environment in the West Philippine Sea. Solicitor General Jose Calida has asked Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio to inhibit himself from the proceedings. Dale De Vera is on the ground at the Supreme Court in Manila for more details. Dale, what do you have for us?
Charles, the Supreme Court is expected to start the oral arguments asking the Philippine government to protect the West Philippine Sea. But hours before the arguments, Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio has decided to inhibit himself. A News 5 source said Carpio decided to voluntarily inhibit, which the SC Anbang accepted. Prior to his decision to inhibit, Solicitor General Jose Calida filed a motion to inhibit against Carpio, citing his recent statements regarding the issue and what the Solgen calls as personal bias. At 2 this afternoon, magistrates will hear the arguments of the petitioners who ask for a writ of Kalikasan. Compel the Philippine government to defend and protect the West Philippine Sea. The petitioners specifically mentioned Panatag, Ayungin Shoal, and Panganiban Reef as those which were damaged, all because of the artificial islands which the built, as well as vessels which threatened and endangered in both Panatag and Ayungin Shoal. The petitioners in the case are Kalayaan Palawan farmers, Folk Association, and 3 fishermen from Zambales, all represented by the Inhibited Bar of the Philippines and human rights lawyer Shel Jokno. They claim that the government either refused or failed to enforce the 2016 arbitral ruling that may help the Filipinos, especially the fishermen. But the Solgen is expected to raise procedural issues in today's argument, since the notice said that the petitioners failed verification of their petition, as well as their failure to notify the respondents of the petition, which may be a violation of a section in the Philippine Fisheries Code. Charles, while the oral arguments may have been set weeks ago, it is interesting to note that it comes at a time when the West Philippine Sea, the sinking of Filipino boats, the country's exclusive economic zone, but by a Chinese vessel. Charles?
All right, thanks for that, Dale. That was Dale De Vera reporting live from the Supreme Court, Padre Faura, Manila.